Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a TJ Maxx haul for you. I was able to buy some things that I needed for my home, and I just want to share with you what we got. I'm sure you did see my previous video. If not, I'll have a link in the description box below, which is just basically a shop with me, and I shared what was inside of TJ Maxx, just mainly focusing on the house section. I really didn't go through the entire area, but I did focus on just what they had as far as home decor and storage. So if you like that and you haven't seen it yet, definitely go onto the description bar and check out that video after you watch this video. So we're going to jump right in, and I'm going to share with you what I scored over at TJ Maxx. Some of these are some really amazing finds that I find were really good prices. So I just want to share with you in case you're in this hunt for these types of organizers. So the very first thing I got were these 3-tier shelves. I bought 2 of them. The price is $4.99 each. And these measure 14.17 by 9.65 by 3.43. This is obviously going to go in my pantry or my cabinet. It's going to just house my spices. So I got 2 of these just to put them in there. Hopefully they'll work out great. I did want to say very quickly before I forget, I did find the exact same set at Walmart for double the price. So I got 2 of these for $10 versus Walmart was 1 for $10. So if you are in the hunt and you find them in Walmart, you could get them, but they're going to be double the price. So I do recommend that if you have a TJ Maxx and you're able to, maybe grab them there instead and save yourself some money. So the other thing we got over at TJ Maxx was these 2 bath mats. They're just gray and cream and white color, which is the color scheme for our bathroom. I have a very small, what you would call a half bath in my master, and then we have our regular size bathroom, which is still very small, but it functions for us as a family. The sizes for these are, I believe the large bath mat was 17 by 24 inches. And the smaller bath mat is 20 by 32 inches. So if you're on the hunt for some bath mats, they do have them there. This was $20 for the set. Up next, I got these 2-bin multi-purpose storage bins. These measure 12.4 by 8.1 by 5.5. They are on the small side. I would say they're about shoebox size in my opinion. I think you can fit a pair of sneakers in here. I'm going to be using this in our office. I'm going to be purging and reorganizing our office soon so that this can all house some of my camera equipment as well as some of my husband's office supplies. And it comes 2, and I believe the price is $14.99. So I don't know if that's something you're in the hunt for. I absolutely love the color. They also had a clear version, and they had a white version as well as this gray one, and they all come with this they all come with the bamboo lid, as you see here. This is an amazing find. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to use it. I also scored this larger one. It's actually a medium size multi-purpose storage bin. Again, it has the bamboo lid. It's just beautiful. This one is $12.99 and you get 1, whereas the other one is $14.99 and you get 2, but it is a lot larger. This size of this storage bin, the size of this storage bin is 17.5 by 11.6 by 5.5. Again, we're just going to be using it to organize and store some of our stuff in here. Some of these I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with, like for example this one. I have a few ideas of what I want to do with it, but it just depends on if it's going to fit and sizing and whatnot. I'm hoping to share a video on how I organize my home office soon, so be on the lookout for that in the future. So another set that I bought were this 2 storage bins as well. It is $19.99. You get 2 of these. They measure 10.4 by 14 by 10.4 by 8.6. You get 2 large baskets here, and they also come with these bamboo lids for storage. So I've been seeing all over TikTok these storage containers that are actually for your salad or for your vegetables, and you would just wash them and strain them. Although the ones on TikTok are of a larger size, we decided to get ourselves a set. This is $6.99, and you just get the one with the lid and the little basket inside. You just basically put your fruits or veggies in there, wash them, and the separate compartment is supposed to help the fruits and veggies stay fresher. I've seen it where people line the bottom with paper towels so that the paper towel, after you wash your fruit or vegetable, the paper towel will absorb the moisture. But you have to first let your fruit or veggies dry out first, and then you're able to store them in here, and then, you know, grab them and eat your fruit or veggie. We got this small container because we weren't too sure if this is going to work for us. We do eat fruits and vegetables, obviously, but they go very quickly in this household. They don't really last that long. So I just got a small one because I thought anything like grapes or strawberries would be perfect there, although my middle child is allergic to strawberries, but you understand the meaning. So last are this 4-piece little spreaders. My husband Harvey saw these. He thought this would be really fun because he likes to spread peanut butter in his morning bagels or cream cheese, and our youngest daughter Ava would also love to use these. They come in this really colorful set. We haven't used them yet, but they're $2.99 for the set if you're interested in one of these. I thought they were very, very cute and colorful and fun, and I'm sure we're going to get a lot of use out of this. Okay friends, that's everything for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post future videos. Until next time guys, I hope you all continue to stay safe. God bless, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye!